Mike, I just caught one.
Huh?
I just caught one.
No way.
Yeah.
Big one?
Pretty good one, yeah.
You need me to net it?
No, I'll get him.
What'd you catch him on?
Chatterbait.
No way.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a good one.
There you go, guys.
Hell yeah. That's the JP special.
Mike had to take a quick pee at the boat ramp, so I just threw my bait out there. Got him on the old JACKHAMMER chatterbait with the Z-Crawl trailer. Good deal. Good deal. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Nice thick one. Give y'all the nice close-up now. There you go. Hey, this is probably gonna be the thumbnail. So if you're watching, you've probably seen this already. Let's get a weight on this guy. There you go, guys. One last look at it before I turn it loose. It is a 3/7 7/8. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. After that fish, we're going to just go ahead and fish down this bank a little bit. Maybe not too long, but we're going to see what happens.
I wouldn't throw you Oh, damn. Justin. Hold on. Let me get mine back in.
Alright guys, I want you guys to pay attention really close to where those casts were made. And then I'll show you here in a second on Google Earth why we were catching fish here. Okay, so that right here is where we put in. And you can see that the lake is down in this photo, but it's actually 30 feet down already. So we caught that fish right there at the boat ramp, and you see these rocky swings right here to the inside of these little coves. They're not really creek channels because there's no creeks that run in, so we're going to call them coves. And a lot of these fish are going to end up spawning back there. Now right here is where that last fish catch that you just seen came off of. And this actually proved to be a pattern because we could run those rocky inside bends all over the lake and find fish. Now we didn't run the best of them looking back on it. If we would have sat down and looked at either Navionics or the Depth Finder or Google Earth, we could have ran some better ones, but these were where we started at. And I'll tell you here after a while why this was a good pattern and how you can replicate it.
Oh, damn. Justin. Hold on. Let me get mine back in. Justin, that's a pig.
How about that, Pro-Go? Another one on the old JACKHAMMER. There we go. We're going to get a weight on him here in just a second. Yes. Alright, it bounced between 3.9 and 7/8 and 3.10 and a quarter. So we're going to call that one 3.10, somewhere in the middle. So that's pretty good. Right now we've got like what, 7 pounds? Yeah, we got 7 pounds on 2 fish. Thank you, buddy. Alright, so we've got our pattern now. The bends, which we're going to call points of these little coves. So the inside and outside bends coming into these coves are what we're going to be running. And right here I'm going to show you where our next stop's going to be. And you can see it's another inside bend with a lot of good rock on it. Now, whenever you're running these, if it's real stormy and the fish are eating, they'll push up on top of that little rocky point and you can catch them shallower. and if it's more bluebird or sunny conditions, they'll be off of it a little bit deeper, and you can generally catch them on some type of plastic or a little Kitech or something of that nature. But these are the next 3 that we're going to run, and you'll see what happens here. He just caught one back here. I had to change SD cards. What do you think? You want to weigh it? 8 pounds now. Mike just caught a 1 pounder. We're on a pattern right now, and what the deal is right here, the inside bends off these points going back in these pockets. They're setting up on like, and if there's like big chunky rock out there, all the better. And they won't bite a worm, which is really what we came out here to try to get them to bite. Seems like they're just biting like chatterbaits and spinnerbaits, which all the better. I like throwing that too. But we're gonna run this pattern and see if we can't do pretty good. Right now the goal for us to catch, we said it coming down here, is 15 pounds. And right now we're sitting at 8 with 3 fish. But we might get it, who knows. Alright guys, we made a run to the other side of the lake. We're gonna try to do basically the same thing, but then also work in like a finesse box. But we'll see. Thanks. Good net job. Yeah, William. I'm saying, I don't know. That's the biggest 2 3/4 or 3.
That's the biggest largemouth I've caught this year, though. Good job.
He looked bigger.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Justin, dude, that's a big bass. Here you go, guys. Get weight on that. Got a rip down here. Here we go, guys. Here's a good old largemouth. Here we go. Going all right on Boone today. Right now we got like 11 pounds. My bad, we got 14 pounds on 5 fish. We'll put this one back in. He weighed in at 3.2. So, buddy, appreciate you biting that check. Big old head on this fish too. Huge head. Yeah, I thought it was gonna go like 5.
His head, like honestly, he almost went post plane. Alright guys, I'll show you what's done a little bit of the damage. Got 3 on this one. That's the Z-Man JACKHAMMER chatterbait. It's missing an eye now because I've ran it through some rocks. But got it in 3/4 ounce. I just paired it up with a Zoom Z-Crawl Junior. It's a pretty good combo, and if you like skipping, it skips super easy. That, and I think Mike, what are you throwing? A Strike King spinnerbait? Strike King spinnerbait, sexy shad color, painted blades, 3/8 head, 3/8. That's what we've been catching.
Who knows?
Choke.